So I have shopped a lot. When you shop online, it's a hit or a miss kind of situation. But oh my god, I'm so happy because each and every piece that I've gotten from Savannah, every piece is a 10 on 10 A plus, and they are a hit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So आज के इस वीडियो में I'm going to be doing a very beautiful haul and it is from the brand Savannah. I've been seeing this brand all over the internet, especially Instagram पे मैं बहुत सारी रील देख चुकी हूँ. People have been buying and loving this particular brand. It's a sister brand of Urbanix and it's much more affordable. आपको trending and beautiful latest items मिल जाते हैं at a much affordable and pocket friendly prices. So yes, I have gotten a lot of items and I'm so happy with all of the purchases and I'm currently wearing one already. So yes, without much blabbering, चलो शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को. So I have shopped a lot and each and every piece that I've gotten, they are so beautiful and of such good quality. So ये रहा package. I have this huge package here and the other one is sitting right there. And I have gotten so many beautiful different items. The one that I'm wearing is also from this particular brand and I am currently in love with each and every piece that I've got. काफी अच्छे दाम में मुझे मिल गया था and काफी अच्छी quality का items है. Trust me, you're absolutely going to fall in love with each and every item that I've got and that I'm about to share with you guys. So let's begin. The very first thing that I've got is this very beautiful baby fitted crop sort of like t-shirt and this is what it looks like. I've been loving a lot of like fitted t-shirts, especially थोड़ा सा cropped होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा fitted रहेगा and it just looks so nice, especially this sort of like baby tees. I've been loving that and so that's the reason I got this very beautiful first t-shirt right here. Prices and sizes सारी चीजें मैं description box में डाल दूंगी and यहाँ screen पे डाल दूंगी. आप लोग जरूर check कर लेना. All the links will be given down in my description box and also you can go ahead and use my coupon code that is flashing on your screen in order to get beautiful discounts. Trust me, you're gonna get absolutely beautiful discounts if you go ahead and use my coupon code right here. This is what the beautiful t-shirt looks like. Wow, just look at how gorgeous this is. I'm totally in love. I mean, how gorgeous this is. The quality is absolutely amazing. आपको यहाँ सारे tags मिल जाएंगे. I will come to the prices and come to the sizes. But this is what the first item looks like. Guys, do you guys see how beautiful this is? You can pair this up with your jeans, your skirts, tennis skirts, and you can go ahead and wear it with your denim skirts and sneakers and you're gonna look absolutely gorgeous. मैंने मंगवाया है in the size small and this one right here retails for 690 rupees and I'll say it is worth every penny. So this is the very first stuff that I got and I'm so excited to be styling this. Next item is this another t-shirt that I got. I've been seeing a lot of like bow printed and ribbon printed tops and dresses and so I had to get it. So this is what I've got and this is how it looks like. It's a very beautiful bow black printed t-shirt and the fitting is absolutely gorgeous. So this is what the beautiful t-shirt looks like. I mean, how cute is this? The bow right at the center just takes your heart away. It is so very beautiful. So this is what the next item looks like and the next t-shirt looks like. It's fully black and has this beautiful bow right at the center and it is the center of attention and attraction because it is so very beautiful. So this is what the next item looks like. I have got this in the size small and again this is for 690 rupees. I have another one in another variant and I've already worn it and trust me, it is so very gorgeous and keeps you comfortable throughout the time you're wearing this. My next item is also a t-shirt and it's the same ribbon bow t-shirt but in a white color because how can I not get something in black and white, especially something that is so very cute. So this is what the beautiful and my next item looks like. You guys can see how gorgeous this is. This right here is not very cropped, so you're going to be absolutely comfortable. If you're someone who does not want to wear a lot of crop tops but want to wear something that's cute and girly, you can go ahead and absolutely grab this. You're going to look absolutely gorgeous. So this is what the next item looks like. आप देख पा रहे हो कितना ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. मैं कैसे छोड़ देती. मैंने मंगवाया है in the size S and इसका price है 590, 100 rupees lesser than the other. Also, the material is going to be absolutely comfortable, especially in this hot and scorching summer. Next, I have two skirts of the same print but in different color. I had to get them. The moment I saw this two particular skirts, I was like, ये तो मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए, because I have been like wanting to get them for the longest time. मैं Pinterest पे कहीं पे मैं देखी थी Pinterest पे कि this sort of skirt, and I was like, where can I find it? The moment I saw them on Savannah, I had to buy them. I just bought them instantly. Okay, let's start with this one. I have worn this particular piece twice already, and each and every time I've worn it, I have gotten compliments. So this is what the beautiful skirt looks like. आपको यहाँ waist की तरफ कुछ इस तरीके का detailing मिल जाएगा. It's simple and has this very beautiful elastic, and you're gonna be absolutely comfortable. The elastic is not very rigid, and then you get the flare right at the bottom that just looks absolutely gorgeous. It's gonna be so worth spending your money on. So this is what the beautiful skirt looks like. These are absolutely perfect for summer, because summer का time jeans वगैरह पहनना बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है, because बहुत गर्मी लगता है, and that's when skirts they come to the rescue, and they not just keep comfortable, but you look so gorgeous, so girly, and so very feminine. This is what the next item and my second skirt looks like. Same cheeses, it's the exact same skirt, but in a totally different color. It's such a beautiful beige khaki color, and I just cannot wait to rock them and style them, because I know they're gonna look absolutely gorgeous. Trust me, if you are wanting to go ahead and shop in Savannah, don't even give them a second thought. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा doubt है ना कि आप क्या लोगे, first time आप shopping करें Savannah से, don't even go ahead and skip the skirt and this dress right here. If you're doubtful, just go for the skirts and this dress, and you're gonna be absolutely satisfied. And this color will suit a lot of Indian skin tone, and I'm so excited to be styling this. So let's go ahead and see the sizes and the prices. मैंने मंगवाया है in the size 27. इसका price है 1,190 rupees. I've seen a lot of other brands selling them at a much higher prices. These are so very affordable when I'm comparing them with the other brands that are selling the same exact pieces at a much higher rate. Trust me, nobody is giving this sort of quality items and this sort of trending items at this price. And also you can go ahead and use my coupon code during checkout, and आपको और भी ज़्यादा discount मिल जाएगा. My sister and two of my friends have already ordered two of the exact same skirts जो मैंने मंगवाया है, because they look so nice. Now let's go ahead and jump on to the second last item that I've got, and it is this very beautiful ribbon bow sort of tube top. I've been wanting to go for a lot of like tube tops. Trust me, they look so very gorgeous and so very girly, and that's the reason I got this. Oh my god, just look at how beautiful this is. You're gonna be absolutely comfortable. It is not going to fall down or fall off from your bust. It is going to be staying there. ठीक है, बहुत ही अच्छा fit है, and it just grips onto your body and makes you look so nice and so very gorgeous. I've gotten this in the size small, and इसका price is 690 rupees. इतना प्यारा खूबसूरत and Pinterest items आपको मिल रहे हैं at such an affordable price. And this is the next item that I got, and it is so very gorgeous. If you are on a budget but want to stay fashion forward, want to be trendy, want to wear trending and good quality pieces, Savannah is your answer. They are coming up with such beautiful items at such affordable prices. Now let's go ahead and jump on to the last item that I fell in love with it. The moment I saw it, I was like, yes, this is the exact dress that I wanted. Not just me, my mom and two of my sisters, they are in love with this piece right there. And the moment they saw me wearing, they were like, oh my god, where did you get this? So this is the exact dress that I have, and I am in love with it. I have seen a lot of people wearing the longer version of this particular dress, but I thought कि चलो मैं थोड़ा सा इसका midi version या फिर knee length का version कर लेती हूँ, and boy, this is so very nice. So this is what the dress looks like that I am currently in love with. I just cannot wait to wear it and style it and look so nice and get so many compliments, because I know I'm gonna get it because of the beautiful design and the detailing right here. So this is the exact dress that I am talking about. Look at how beautiful the detailing is, the lace detailing, everything is just so beautiful. This is the strap right here. Beautiful the strap आपको मिल जाएगा, and यहाँ आपको बस्ट की तरफ इस तरीके का डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगा. Look at how beautiful the detailing is. अगर आप इसे पहनोगे, कौन नहीं कम्प्लीमेंट करेगा, कौन नहीं देखना चाहेगा या फिर पहनना चाहेगा इस तरीके का ब्यूटीफुल आइटम. लास्ट में नीचे की तरफ आपको इस तरीके का सेम एग्जैक्ट डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगा. that just look absolutely gorgeous. For my height, that is 5'7", ये around थे मेरी knee तक, मेरी knee की length तक आ जा रहे हैं. This is what the back looks like. आपको इस तरीके का zipper detailing मिल जाएगा like this. So this one right here, I've gotten this in the size small again. And this one right here retails for 1,490 rupees. मैं बहुत सारे अलग अलग e-commerce websites पे देखती हूँ कि सेम चीज ना बहुत महंगे प्राइस में मिल रहे हैं. But Savannah, we are giving them for like a much better price. This is the last item that I got, and all of them, trust me, जो भी मैंने मंगवाया है from Savannah, which is like my first time shopping, I am in love with them. From the stitching to the material of each and every piece that I've gotten, they are very good, excellent quality, and the stitching and all is absolutely gorgeous. You're gonna be enjoying wearing those pieces. So yeah, that is it for today's video, and I hope you guys liked it. Do not forget to use my coupon code and save some money. And I hope you guys liked this video. And if you do, then do like this video and also subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Tab tak ke liye, take care and